guys, I am Priya Teli. Today's video covers the program and the working for blinking of LED and also the inbuilt LED, blinking of inbuilt LED on the Arduino Uno. So here is Arduino Uno. These are some digital pins and here are analog pins. So here is the built-in LED of Arduino Uno. So we are going to blink this. In short, it will blink or it will lit for 1 second and it will be off for another second. So let us connect our Arduino to the laptop using USB. So let us see the program. First of all, go to the files, then examples, then basics, and inside that blink. So this is the program for blinking of an LED. So here we are going to define which pin we are going to use for LED. So this is the we have used built-in LED pin. So we are going to blink the built-in LED on the Arduino Uno. So in this void setup we will define the pins, and in the void loop we will write about that we want the output high, means we want LED to blink, and this is its position, that is the default or built-in LED on the Arduino Uno. So it will blink for 100,000 milliseconds, that is 1 second, and it will be off for 1 second. So let us upload this program to our Arduino on which it is connected. So let first of all see the port, whether it is pointing correct, whether it is correct, it is pointing to the Arduino Uno. Then we will upload this program to our Arduino to the on the port on which it is connected. So we are able to see that our LED on this built-in LED on this Arduino Uno is blinking. It is blinking for, it is getting lit for 1 second and it is off for another second. So in this way we can blink our built-in LED on the Arduino Uno. Also we are going to see how to blink the external LED using this Arduino, and a little changes in our program. So this is our red LED. This long terminal is the positive terminal, and this another one is the shorter one is the negative terminal. So we are going to connect this positive terminal to any digital pin of the Arduino Uno, and this shorter pin or this shorter or negative terminal, we are connect this to ground of the Arduino Uno. So we are going to connect this positive terminal to the pin number 12 or digital pin number 12 of Arduino Uno, and the negative pin to the ground of Arduino Uno in this way. Now we will do some little changes in our program and we will be able to blink this external LED. So we will do this, we will change this LED built-in, any object you can use this, you can use any variable here, it is not compulsory to use LED built-in. So we are going to change this, as we have connected this LED that is positive terminal to the pin number 12 of Arduino, that is digital pin 12 of Arduino. So we are going to mention here 12, which is the where our LED is connected, and we are going to do the changes everywhere wherever LED built-in is written. And then we will upload the same program to our Arduino, and we will able to see that our LED will blink. So here we can see that our LED is blinking. So this is the small activity of blinking of LED using Arduino Uno. So if you like my video, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.